Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will compare two different AI tools, Chatsonic and ChatGPT, and I will tell you which one is better at the end of this short comparison video. So let's get started. So first of all, we're on Chatsonic. We also have ChatGPT in this chat right here. Now, when it comes to Chatsonic, Chatsonic offers a lot more than ChatGPT, and I will show you how. So for example, as you can see, we can generate an HD image of Lionel Messi playing the FIFA World Cup. So let's click here and let's input this command right here. So as you can see, we'll need to wait just a little bit, right? And yeah, we'll need to wait just a little bit because the algorithm is a little bit slow because of the load and people using it. But as you can see, here it is, right? It's generated an HD image of Lionel Messi playing the FIFA World Cup. Now, if we copy this into ChatGPT, we can see that ChatGPT actually cannot process this because it's just a text-based AI. So the first thing that Chatsonic wins at is the tool that you can actually use an image. It can actually generate an image, and again, you know, ChatGPT cannot do that, right? So Chatsonic already has a lot more to offer than just ChatGPT. So for example, one more thing of an example, let's go to library here. This is, by the way, not really Chatsonic, but what you can do is you can do a lot of different things. You have paragraph writer, Sonic editor, Google ad titles, Google ad descriptions, LinkedIn ads, Facebook ads, general writing, Quora answers, content rephrasing, company bios, text extender, right? You have product descriptions for e-commerce. You have social media, captions, website copy. This is really powerful tool. I mean, just from the look of this, it has more to offer than ChatGPT. And also for the Chatsonic, if we go back to Chatsonic here, let's click on it here. We can see that we can also give voice commands. You cannot actually do that on ChatGPT. You can also write factual content on the latest topics. When it comes to ChatGPT, I think it can only remember past the certain date. And yeah, it has a lot more than ChatGPT. I would say Chatsonic in this case is a much better tool. Although ChatGPT is much more popular tool, Chatsonic still wins in some areas, right? And when it comes to Chatsonic, this is a software from Writesonic. So you actually have library here, saved files, Photosonic, which is kind of like DALL-E on OpenAI. If you know, DALL-E is an image generator, but you actually don't need to use Photosonic. You can actually use just Chatsonic, right? So for example, I can again go here, generate me an image of Formula One, let's just do it like this, right? And then we can basically wait a little bit and it will probably generate me an image of Formula One. So you can, you get the point, right? Obviously, it has more features. It is more advanced, I would say, than ChatGPT. Obviously, I would love to see what your feedback is. So comment down below, what do you think, which one wins this battle, Chatsonic or ChatGPT, and why? I would love to see other people's feedback, but for me, I think Chatsonic offers a lot more in one package than ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is just a text-based AI editor, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.